Today we're making affordable sandbox for kids. Welcome everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please hit the subscribe button. Summertime, the kids do need to be outside, so let's go ahead and make this affordable sandbox. The things that you will need to make this sandbox are kids play sand. You will need cinnamon because it's a natural bug repellent. Need your glove, safety. I purchased this pool cover from Amazon, which I will also link in my description box below in my Amazon storefront. It will be there. So it's a pool cover and it's waterproof. All the toys I'll be using I got from the dollar store. This kiddie pool that I got from Walmart, and this is the 45-inch one. It is still hot. We are all done with the sandbox. If this was helpful to you, let me know in the comments. So don't forget to subscribe. Let me know if you're gonna try it. Don't forget to comment. Just keep it respectful. And also follow me on social media. On Instagram, I'm Henrika Beauty, and on TikTok, I'm